Hi guys, we back Bafetu. Back another video Bafetu. Bafetu, this is bad news, bad news. If now this is going to happen, war is near now. There's no way people would be Durban activist gunned down, PKK probes murder. Nokuthula Kanye has returned the story. So someone was gunned down in Durban the other day, Bafetu, just when he was coming from home. Was coming from his grandmama's house. He was gunned down, Bafetu, and it's bad. We don't know what's happening. There's no evidence if he is linked, whether he's linked to March and March, or maybe he had personal beefs. The political killings task team is probing the murder of KwaMashu activists. Siphiwe Thusin, an MK party member and anti-illegal immigration activist, was shot dead outside his home on Friday. He was well known for his anti-illegal immigration campaign in KwaMashu, so he was the leading guy in KwaMashu, leading the March and March movement. Over the past week, he and fellow community members were seen driving out foreign shop owners. So they did succeed in driving out foreign shop owners, and people are benefiting from foreign shop owners are also extortionists, except the owners themselves. The people who are making the shop owners pay a protection fee. So you might read between the line. But on Friday evening, he was ambushed while returning to his K section home from a political engagement. Gunmen opened fire at close range, killing him besides his car. His son Ayanda was among those who rushed to the hospital. Cabanga labantu, you don't even care to no ban. You are these people are heartless, Baba. There's your kid, yeah. But they will come and just because you're fighting for your country, fighting for your own future. Probably they don't care well about your country, they don't care about your kids, so it's not surprising. The reason why they want to take over from you, your economic future, is because they don't care about your future of your kids. So guys, we had war, yeah. It's always been war, and we have a government who is against us. They over hiring people in the government. They selling teachers jobs. Like everything is bad. Nothing is very promising at all with this government. When I got there, I called him. He wasn't even responding. Ayanda told ENCA. I called him and more than 10 times. He didn't respond. He was just lying there. And I was so hurt because that's unlike him. Whenever I call him, he's going to be there. That's for sure. He never makes a mistake. Hussein brother Tabani says CPO was worried about his safety and had raised concern about being followed. So he's been being followed in weeks. He's being followed. Everyone, every leader of March and March, everyone who's leading these matches is not safe, guys. Are not safe. So they need more than protection. They need prayers, firearms, everything. They need all the assistance we can give to them. Sources close to the investigation have told ENCA that preliminary information suggests the protection fee mafia may have killed him. Yeah, together with the Somali, with the owners, illegal owners, they may have collided in killing this person because they're all benefiting from this situation. I'm some black people from South Africa. How do you kill your own people who fighting for your own future? How you gonna eat the money with foreigners all over, causing chaos? But only bomber band one day. Tusini's family is now demanding quick justice as they prepare to lay him to rest next week. No arrests have been made, and police say they are working towards establishing the motive. They will find it is a case at the end. There's Mkwanas, they will find those killers. They will be found. I have full faith in the police in that side. They will be found, Buffett. Otherwise, Buffett, we need to be careful. Everyone who's like anti-illegal immigration, be careful, Buffett. Be careful. Niphahla nithandaze. Cela izinyanya zinikhusele. Otherwise, we're at war here. Our kids' future, our future is at stake. Please subscribe, please like. See you on the next video.